Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over the iPhone 16 Ultramarine unboxing, and here it is. It looks gorgeous. I'm jealous because I got the 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium, which I also love, but this color is just something else. I wish this was on the iPhone Pro Max and Pro line, but stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive into this unboxing of the iPhone 16 Ultramarine. I love this color. I actually wish they made this for the Pro because I would get this color. And I was seriously considering not getting a Pro this year. I get Pros every year, or Pro Maxes. But this year, the iPhone 16 line got so many features that I think would be Pro features. Oh man, look at that. That is beautiful. Let's see. Let's undo this here. So fresh. Okay. Unlike the Pros are fingerprint magnets. These are not. Surprisingly, there is no fingerprints attaching to this. Wow. Oh man. Now after unboxing my Pro Max and my wife's Pro, I don't know. I'm jealous of my son. I like this phone a lot. How it looks, how it feels. Wow, this is great. To go over a few of the this has a newer and faster A18 chipset, and it also has 8 gigs of RAM, just like the Pro line. The Pro line has 8 gigs of RAM. And just remember, this is the first phone made for Apple Intelligence. Now, the 15 Pro line does support Apple Intelligence. I don't know if later down the road, there'll be some newer Apple Intelligence features that have not been announced, maybe next year in iOS 19, that will support the 16 only, but time will tell. So this comes in 128 gigs of RAM. 128 gigs for storage. It shoots in spatial video. To me, that's I think that you only care about that if you have the Apple Vision Pro. So I don't know how big of a deal that is to people, but this has a 48 megapixel fusion camera for its main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with macro support, and it has longer battery life compared to the iPhone 15. It has 2 extra hours, so coming in at 22 hours of video playback. It has 20-watt wired charging, which is the same as iPhone 15, but the wireless MagSafe charging is faster this year. The iPhone 15 had or could charge on MagSafe up to 15 watts, and this one is close to double at 25 watts. So it's a lot faster. But that's just a quick overview of this phone and some of the new specs. But I really, really like how this looks. And here's this new camera control. I haven't tested it out yet, but it will do shortly. And that's it. Any questions? Just comment below. Happy to answer any questions. I answer all questions. And thanks for watching.